it's going to be better than just having like all the sheet all up in my armpit. I also picked up a Dave. I think my mum will shout when she sees that I've bought. Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today is going to be my first ever Hinch haul. My mum has been away in Tenerife for 11 days, which kind of left me to be responsible for the house, and I've been absolutely obsessed with Mrs. Hinch. So today I have a huge Hinch haul and let's just get straight into it. The first two things I picked up were of course pine scented. I picked up the Morrison's Pine Fresh toilet cleaner, which I would highly recommend. The nozzle's really good. I actually originally bought this one first, which is the Morrison's Pine Thick Disinfectant, and this has like the cap and you kind of do a couple of caps around like the rim. This is a bit more time consuming, a bit more not as fun as what this one is, which is why I got that one as well. Now, a lot of this stuff is from Wilkinsons. I absolutely love Wilkinsons. I loved it when I was a student and I love it for cleaning stuff now. So I'll show you what I got. So the first thing I got was this huge spray. This is from the garden section, and the reason I got this is to put some of my Lenore in, which I'll be showing you soon, and dilute it with some water, and then I can spray it on any kind of fabric, which is what Mrs. Hinch does. So what I'm going to do with this is I got a big one, and they did have like the smaller little circle ones like what she has, but the reason I got a big one is because I'm going to use this in my bedroom and on the sofa downstairs, on my bedding, on my curtains, everywhere basically. So that's why I went for the huge one, but I think I will get a smaller one so I can dilute some of my Sephora for like tops and stuff like that. Yeah, I'm about that life now. I also got these Wilkinsons It's Clear as Day smear free glass wipers, which remove grease and dirt, and you get 20 wipes. And the reason I got this is because I have a lot of mirrors and our fireplace is also mirrored as well, so I thought it would be perfect for that. And even like my desk is mirrored. So, and this little gadget, which is something that I'm absolutely buzzing with, and I'm sure Mrs. Hinch has these as well, but if not, it's from another YouTuber that I watch, and she basically does like cleaning hacks. She has like 3 kids, all under the age of 6, so she has loads of cleaning hacks and stuff. I don't know how I've managed to get into this life, but I have. And this is basically a Dishmatic, which basically is a sponge for you to clean the pot, but on the top bit here it opens up. If I can do it with my nails, there we go, and you actually put your washing up liquid inside here, so it kind of just spurts it evenly, is that a word? Puts it on evenly onto all the pots instead of it kind of just being like in the water for the pots, or on a couple of pots when you sprayed it in or whatever. So like, it's weird how super excited I am to try this. I also picked up some funky little looking cloths as well from Wilkinsons. These are the Clean Up in Style microfiber cloths, which is they're ideal for a variety of jobs around the home, use wet or dry. And yeah, I just picked up some of them because you can't have enough cloths. I also picked up some washing up liquid to go into my little Dishmatic, as I know that we're running low at home, although I think my mum will shout when she sees that I've bought a Wilkinsons one and not bought Fairy, because she absolutely loves Fairy. But this is the Wilkinsons Greased Lightning Concentrated Washing Up Liquid in Raspberry and Hibiscus. I don't know. It sounds like it smelled like it's going to smell nice. Should we have a sniff now? Oh, that smells so nice. Oh, it smells a bit like alcohol as well. Maybe I'm just thinking of like raspberry gin or something. This is definitely from a Mrs. Hinch recommendation. So these are the Duck Fresh Strips in Pine, and I've not actually tried this yet because I wanted to do this haul. I'm actually filming this at, what's the time? It is 1:37 in the morning, and I've literally got to like 12:30, and I thought, if I don't film this now in the morning, I'm not going to be able to use all this stuff, and my mum comes home from holiday in the morning. But when you're watching this, she's already came home, and basically I was thinking I want to clean the full house before she comes home. It's like a nice like fresh house for her to come home to, and I won't be able to use any of it because I need to do a haul. So that's why I'm filming at 2 in the morning. Dedication. So yeah, I'm excited to try these. I've saw Mrs. Hinch use them as well. Another Mrs. Hinch recommendation are these. These are soda crystals, which are safe degradable, lime scale removing, degreasing, water softening, ideal for most of your cleaning needs. And I'm sure she uses this to kind of declog the drains and stuff, so I'm excited to have a play with that. I'm so sad, like who am I? Who am I? And then I also got the white vinegar, which is what she uses with the soda crystals. Just Wilkinsons' own, because you can't beat some of Wilkinsons' own products. Oh god. And then the next bag is huge. So the first big thing in it is a massive tub of Lenore, and I just got the massive one. It was 83 washes. It was on offer in Morrison's in good old Murray Dogs. I just couldn't say no. So that's a nice big Lenore, as you can see. I've already been going through it. Ooh, today when I was in Iceland getting some stuff for my tea, I picked up a Sephora. So the only Sephora that we have in our house is the Winter Spice one, and I've never smelled any of the other ones, so I thought I'd save this to see what it smells like on camera. So this is the Linen Fresh one, and I've been trying to hunt this down for ages and I couldn't find it anywhere, and I managed to find it in the Iceland near my house. I'm excited. Oh my god, that smells amazing. Oh yeah, see, I can imagine that on worktops, and then the Winter Spice for like your bathroom and your bath and stuff like that, but that smells lush. And I got it for £1 in Iceland, which I was very, very happy about. I also picked up these wipes, which I absolutely love. There's like a pack behind you, and I've been using them to like clean down my tops of my bedroom whilst I've been sorting it all out and organising my life. And these are like 50p each, so they're just antibacterial wipes. So I got 2 packs of them. I also got this huge bag of candles. You get 100 unscented tea lights, and the reason I've got this is because I've got 2 of the burners, and I'm wanting to like change them and put some other ones. So I'm going to be trying Mrs. Hinch's technique of burning it and then putting the cotton wool pads in it to then sweep it out. So I'm going to be trying that hopefully tonight, maybe not tonight because I need to in the morning, but hopefully tomorrow. So I got these to try it out and then for future burning of the melt as well. I also picked up a Dave. So yeah, got myself one of these bad boys. Once again from Wilkinsons. So these just make your home shine. Microfiber duster. Clever microfiber technology, picks up dust and dirt quickly. Like, I'm just so buzzing to have that. And last but not least, we have a duvet from Wilkinsons as well. So I just got this kind of like a leafy pattern print to go with my bedroom when I put my pictures up on my wall, which I'm so excited to show you when it's all done. But I have a weird shaped bed from IKEA, and at the moment my bed sheet is the weird shaped sheet. But obviously the duvet insert inside is too small, so I have like too much sheet, not enough duvet insert, so I'm just going to scrap it and I'm just going to get the normal single size. Even though it's going to be a bit too small for my bed, it's going to be better than just having like all the sheet all up in my armpit. It's just, I'm just not enjoying it. So that is my Hinch haul. Thank you so much for watching. If you want me to do more of these, then please do let me know. I absolutely love Mrs. Hinch, like yes mate, all day long. So yeah, this is what she's made me. And my mum's going to be very, very happy because I'm like literally like a changed woman. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and if you want more videos like this. And I'll hopefully see you in my next video. Bye guys, and happy hinching.